Okay, here we are on Blooming Point Beach in Prince Edward Island, and I am with the most amazing men ever, Jonathan Hopkins, if you'll turn around, being one of them. Love of my life. And you can't, oh, wait, maybe we can see it. Anyways, another good friend of mine, Shawn McDonald, is dangerously positioning himself to light 5 firecrackers. Jonathan, please don't throw batteries into the fire. We're going to die. Here on the beach in Blooming Point. And here we go. Enjoy the show. Shawn brought a whole bag of firecrackers tonight to commence one of the most memorable evenings of my entire life with 3 of the most amazing men I've ever met in my life. Jonathan Hopkins, Shawn McDonald, and Aaron Murphy. Aaron's unavailable at the moment. He ran to the car, and he's been gone for about 3.5 minutes, and we're not quite sure where he went.
He's not up there passing out.
What?
He's probably up. Oh, there goes that battery I just threw in the fire.
Oh, can we just focus in on the fire that we've created? Tom Hanks won an Oscar for saying... Oh, hold please. Here we go, folks. Yay!
That was amazing.
Sorry, Jonathan, that was?
That was utterly amazing.
And describe amazing. Is it a commercial?
When I say amazing,
is it a commercial form?
In the commercial form, I would say, okay, have you ever tried Smart Burn with Hoodia? Because I did, and I lost seriously, you guys, I lost 7 pounds and 6 inches off my waist. Smart Burn with Hoodia. It's amazing. All right, again, let's just look at that fire. It's beautiful. And Jonathan, he is beautiful too. And
look
by the way, I lost 7
he
pounds, so it's amazing.
And Shawn is attempting to light firecracker number 3 or firework, whatever you want to call them.
And I would love to have a cigarette. That was a little gross, you guys. Sorry you guys had to witness
Johnny,
that.
I'm so, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to announce and proclaim.
And by the way, for everyone that's watching this, Kelly showed her tits tonight, so whatever we do could never be as bad as that.
My bra is...
Oh, there she goes. Like, she made a homemade fucking thing.
Oh, it's right here.
She made a Hindu
we burnt it.
lean-to for her bra, so whatever.
That's how good it was. Okay, Shawn, quickly, the phone is going to run out of power. Oh, here we go. Johnny, look. Yeah! That was amazing!
You have to keep saying that because...
Okay.